Alejandra, I hope you can hear me over the background noise, but I think your presentation is beautiful. Start from the beginning. Everything about it. I love that your creative brief was redesigned. You're like me, you probably enjoy doing things like that. All right, so a couple notes. You've broken this up into paragraphs, but this one isn't. So at least break it up into one more paragraph. Let's see, beautiful work. So I had a note about this infographic. So the leading over here is looks like what you might expect, easy to read. But then the leading over here changes, and I guess that's because you have numbers, but it still looks. It caught my eye. The wood today. So, and then you have different over here and different over here. So what I would do if this was mine, I would turn the type to outlines so that you can manually get that leading to look exactly perfect. Does that make sense? So those were my only comments. I think this looks so fresh and nice, and it'll be a wonderful addition to your portfolio. I love it. I love, love, love it. Bye.